this video I will teach you how to create a blog. So first type blogger.com. Then you before creating a blog you have to have a Gmail account. So I've already created my Gmail account. I'm going to log in. The Aditya 1995. Put the password of your Gmail account password. Sign in. A blog is a type of website. Usually your blog will be maintained by you only. Just display name asking for online education. You can write anything. So check these boxes and continue. Asking for blog title, you can write the same one line education. Okay, type your blog address. This is very sensitive. I'm typing the 2010 online education. Just check availability. This blog address is available. Okay, then continue. Choose the template. You have to choose a template. I'm going for this. Just continue. Your blog has been created. Start blogging. This is very easy process, and you will get a hosting area. So you'll have to put something, some article here, so that people will visit your site. This is the hosting area. You can write anything here. Uh, Otherwise, you can take the help of other website. Just go to google.com and type here article on online education. So lots of site you will get from here. Then just click on this site. So lots of articles are there. Click on features bachelor degree article and the flexible education get bachelor degree online. Okay, this will be the, please copy it. This will be the uh, title of our blog. Okay, go to and paste here, and this will be the content. Just copy this and paste here. This is something keyword related. This is something, this is level. This is something keyword related with this content. Okay, then you can copy it and paste here. Just publish post. So after publishing, it will show in your blog. Just view your blog. Click on this, open tab. So this is your blog. Blog address is 2010 online education.blogspot.com, and this is your first post. You can add any number of posts here, and you can write your own also. So if you don't have any knowledge on online education, you can take the help of other website, just like that, and go to another website, and you have to create a new post. The same thing we'll have to do here. uh, Online education. So lots of article is there. Lots of article are there. Distance learning education, smart career move. You can go for this. This will be very good article for our blog. So go there and copy this one. This is the title, and this also be the level of this area, and copy the article, copy. This article is posted by this person and paste here. Again publish post. Any number of posts you can any number of article you can post. So go to your blog address and refresh it, and this is your latest posting, this is your old posting, previous posting. So this is the way how to, the creation of a blog. So this portion I will teach you later. One very important thing is that updation is very important in a blog. You don't need to have any technical background to create a blog. Yeah, you see that. And you don't need to have any technical background to update and maintain the blog also. Regularly you should update the blog. The most important part of the blog is what you have to say and how you say it. People will return to your blog if they like. Hmm. If they like what you write about the specific subject, and they like your writing style also. So take care of this, and this is the way of creation of a blog. Okay, thank you. Best of luck.